If you've been hearing about GoHighLevel and wondering if it's the right CRM to help you grow your business or agency, this video is for you. GoHighLevel isn't just another CRM. It's an all-in-one platform built from the ground up for digital marketers, freelancers, consultants, and agency owners who want to automate client acquisition, follow-up, and service delivery, without duct taping 10 different tools together. In this beginner-friendly walkthrough, I'll explain how the platform works, the core features you'll actually use, and how you can start building smarter systems inside your business today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description below for timestamps and my extended 30-day free trial link, which allows you to test everything for yourself. What is GoHighLevel CRM? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform built specifically for agencies, freelancers, marketers, and local business consultants. It combines dozens of tools like email marketing, funnel builders, websites, calendars, surveys, SMS automation, pipelines, and even AI-powered chat agents into one clean dashboard. That means you can stop duct taping different software together and finally manage your entire client workflow in one place. But it's more than just a CRM. GoHighLevel is a full SaaS builder, which means you can white label the entire platform and resell it under your brand. Whether you're offering client onboarding systems, review automation, or AI sales agents, you get the tools and the infrastructure to run a real recurring revenue business. Core features of GoHighLevel. Let's break down what you can do inside GoHighLevel, in plain English. If you've never used a CRM or marketing platform before, don't worry. I'll explain it by showing you one of my GoHighLevel CRM sub-account dashboards. 1. Opportunities and pipelines. This is where you track every lead or customer. Think of it like a digital sales board. You can move people through stages, like new lead, booked call, or closed deal, just by dragging and dropping. It provides a bird's-eye view of your entire sales process, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. 2. Forms, surveys, quizzes, and chat widget. Need to collect info from potential clients or customers? You can build custom forms, engaging surveys, even lead quizzes. Want live chat on your site? GoHighLevel offers a chat widget that you can install in just a few clicks, allowing visitors to message you instantly. 3. Calendars. Forget third-party tools like Calendly. GoHighLevel has a built-in calendar booking system. Let clients book calls with you based on your availability, and set up automatic confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups. 4. Marketing. Social planner, emails and text messaging. You can schedule social media posts, send out email newsletters, run drip campaigns, and even text your leads, all from one dashboard. No need for separate tools like MailChimp or Buffer. Everything's in here and fully connected. 5. Payments. Want to sell services, consultations, or digital products? You can create payment links, build order forms, and connect to Stripe or PayPal to get paid, without needing a separate checkout tool. 6. Reputation management. If you're working with local businesses, this is a big one. You can send automated review requests to happy clients, track your Google reviews, and respond, all inside GoHighLevel. Reputation equals revenue. 7. Integrations. You're not locked into just using GoHighLevel's tools. You can integrate with thousands of apps via webhooks, Zapier, or native connections, like Zoom, Stripe, QuickBooks, and more. 8. Funnels and websites. You can design full sales funnels and websites. No coding needed. Whether you're building a landing page, an opt-in page, or a full-blown site for your agency or clients, GoHighLevel has drag-and-drop builders for it. 9. Membership areas. Want to sell an online course or create a private members-only area? GoHighLevel offers built-in tools to host your course content, drip lessons over time, and manage logins and payments. 10. Workflow automation. This is the automation engine that ties everything together. You can build workflows to handle things like when someone fills a form, they get an email, then a text reminder, then a task is created. It saves hours of manual work and makes your business run on autopilot. 11. White label. This feature allows you to customize the entire platform with your company's logo, color, and branding. This enables you to provide customized service and sell high-level tools as SaaS. 12. AI agents. This is one of the newest and most exciting features. GoHighLevel AI agents can respond to leads, follow up via text or voice, answer common questions, and even book appointments. It's like hiring a digital team member who never sleeps. Perfect for agencies that want to scale without hiring additional staff. Who is GoHighLevel best for? GoHighLevel isn't just another CRM. It's built specifically for digital marketing agencies, freelancers, and service providers who want to grow smarter. If you're running a local marketing agency, a consulting business, or offering done-for-you services like SEO, ads, web design, or social media management, this platform is designed for you. Here's why it works so well. Agencies use it to build and sell automation services. For example, you can create lead capture funnels, follow-up automations, or even full onboarding systems. Then resell those as part of your package. Local businesses love it when you help them get more reviews, follow up with leads instantly, and book more appointments without them lifting a finger. If you're a freelancer tired of duct taping 10 tools together, GoHighLevel replaces email software, funnel builders, calendar apps, chatbot tools, membership platforms, and more, all in one login. And if you want to white label and sell it as your own SaaS, GoHighLevel provides you with the tools to do that too, complete with your branding and pricing. GoHighLevel pricing. GoHighLevel has 3 pricing plans. All plans include a white label feature and access to GoHighLevel's core tools. The AI agents operate under a pay-as-you-go model, or you can opt for an unlimited subscription for $97 a month. 1. Starter plan, $97 a month, ideal for solo entrepreneurs or small agencies. You receive 3 sub-accounts with access to core tools, including funnels, workflows, calendars, forms, and basic automation. 2. Unlimited plan, $297 a month. This is the go-to plan for growing agencies. You can create unlimited sub-accounts for clients, automate entire workflows, and resell a few advanced tools under your brand. 3. Agency Pro plan, $497 a month. This plan unlocks SaaS mode, allowing you to become your own software company. You can create custom SaaS pricing packages, bill clients, and even use Stripe to handle subscriptions. It's how many agencies are generating thousands of dollars monthly by offering automated, high-demand services. GoHighLevel pros and cons. Pros, all-in-one CRM platform that replaces multiple marketing tools. Explicitly built for digital agencies, service businesses, and SaaS resellers. Workflow automation makes follow-ups and tasks hands-free. Includes AI agents for conversations, voice, and workflow automation. Reputation management tools help boost and monitor client reviews. Built-in calendars, payments, and memberships for seamless client handling. Regular updates with new features based on user feedback. Cons of GoHighLevel? Has a steep learning curve for complete beginners. User interface can feel clunky in certain areas. Limited template designs compared to niche tools like ClickFunnels or MailChimp. So there you have it. GoHighLevel isn't just another CRM. It's an all-in-one platform designed to help marketers, freelancers, and especially digital agencies automate their work, deliver better results for clients, and build real recurring income. If you're just starting out or looking to scale your agency fast, GoHighLevel is honestly one of the most innovative platforms you can invest in. Check the description for your free 30-day trial and test it out for yourself. No strings attached. If you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more breakdowns like this.